Minimal clothing.
Minimal clothing.
So last time we unboxed the minimal clothing and some of you guys were interested in knowing about it in detail. So today we have a very small package for minimal
Yes,
once
again.
So we will unbox that, we will show you the quality and we will tell you about the pricing, the duty very quickly, and then also we are unboxing another sneaker pickup of mine today.
Yes.
So watch this video till the end and stay tuned. ओ भाई मिनिमल क्लोथिंग दिखाओ.
खुद तो बोलो एक तो यार कभी.
अरे यार तू दिखा रहा ना मिनिमल क्लोथिंग, तू बोला तूने लिया है.
हाँ तो आपका भी है इसमें.
अच्छा बैठ जा, चल बैठ जा. Sit down.
क्या पैकेजिंग है यार.
Bro, again the same shit यार. Please यार, पक जाएंगे लोग ऐसा देख देख के. Come on, repeat a part. Alright, so here we have a package from Minimal. I've got this long sleeve black t-shirt. Harsh has got two of these other t-shirts.
Yes.
Which he's got for the second time because the first time he ended up ordering a very big size. So guys, basically Minimal is extremely oversized. They do have the sizing mentioned on their website, but I still feel it's a little more bigger than the sizes mentioned on the website. So t-shirts roughly cost how much?
Around 2,000 rupees.
So it's around 2,000 rupees for one short sleeve oversized tee. And when you are checking out, you have two options for shipping. That is, ironically, both the options are of the same amount, but one option says it includes duties and taxes.
We tried it this time and it worked.
Yeah, so we tried the other option, even though the price was same. I don't know what logic behind that. So we tried that. They shipped it via DHL. It took only about 4 to 5 days to reach India, and
no duty.
surprisingly, there was no duty at all. So
And
that's
last time I ended paying 14,000.
yeah. Last time 14, no, there was half things or other things also.
Yeah.
So last time we paid 8,000 on a lot of things, but nevertheless this time it was 0 on these 3 t-shirts. So that's how it is. Make sure to select the including duties shipping option. Costs about 1,500 rupees as far as we know, and it doesn't charge any duty, and it comes straight to your place in 5 to 6 days from DHL, and that's brilliant. So that is Harsh's outfit, bro. Looking awesome today. So in the last video I showed you my new glasses from Gucci, and I also told you that Harsh also upgraded his spectacles. So we're quickly gonna go and pick that up, and then we'll head back home, and then I will show you my new sneaker pickup. And I really want to talk something about that sneaker because I don't understand why not as many people are not buying it. I think it's really nice. Oh bhai, क्या था? Today, like you can see, I am driving Sonal's Kia. Actually, she's supposed to be my chauffeur whenever BMW is not working.
Very funny.
But today I am driving the Kia. I mean, what's the point of buying such cars if you have to ultimately drive a Kia only? So
ये मतलब यार कुछ समझ में आता है, तुमको नहीं आता है, बकवास किए जा रहे हो.
मतलब है कि इतनी महंगी गाड़ी लेके सब करके मतलब क्या, अगर अल्टीमेटली सस्ती गाड़ी में घूमना है तो.
ओ किया ओ किया
Shut up
किया.
यार, पागल हो गया. मैं तो क्या सोच रहा हूँ पता है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ BMW बेच के उससे अच्छा जूते ले लेता हूँ और एक 15 लाख की किया ले लेता हूँ और 35 लाख के जूते ले लेता हूँ. जूते एटलीस्ट पहन तो सकते हैं, गाड़ी तो चला नहीं सकते कहीं.
सीरियसली बट डूड मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. जस्ट डोंट गेट इट व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद BMW.
एक पोर्टल में जाके टायर फट जाता है तो गई यार.
शिट दैट्स रियली बैड. आई थिंक यार चलो यार.
Anyways guys, by the way, thanks a lot for the awesome response in the last vlog as well. I mean, I wasn't expecting much. I thought it's just because of the giveaway, but all you guys are still watching it, and thank you very much. It just motivates me to shoot more rubbish content like this that I'm trying to do today. So yeah. क्या? किससे बात कर रहा है?
मम्मा से.
मम्मा से? मम्मी को बताया एक और जूता लिया?
ये कौन सा जूता लिया?
अरे अभी लिया ना कल, मम्मी को बताया
नहीं लिया कोई जूता.
सब जूते लेके नुकसान करता है, मम्मी को बताता नहीं कुछ.
नहीं लिया मैं कोई जूता.
झूठ मत बोला.
मम्मी को पूछ सुसु करके आओ. This optician called what? Turakia. So Harsh has gone inside to pick up his
Actually it's
new
Turkiya.
specs.
Turkiya.
Turkiya.
Yeah, see it's written.
Where? Okay. So it's Turkiya. So we are just waiting here for a bit. Harsh is picking up his spectacles or specs or whatever, and then we are quickly gonna go to mall after a long time. I don't usually.
It's been ages.
I don't usually go to malls. I don't usually shop from here and from the regular stores. I mean, but I have to quickly head there today to pick a couple of items for an outfit because tomorrow I'm shooting with my very special sneaker. So I wanted some specific things which I obviously cannot order from abroad right now, and I have it tomorrow. So I'm heading to.
We are going to In Orbit.
कैमरा पे मेरी उंगली थी इधर, चलेगा?
हाँ.
चलेगा यार, इतना तो चला दो. So we're going to
Sell
Inorbit.
लो थोड़ा.
We're going to Inorbit now to pick a couple of things, and then we'll head back home, and then we will take a look at my awesome new sneaker. Did you get your glasses?
Yeah. I'm
Show
ready.
me which one. Oh, you're already wearing it.
Yes.
So you also copied mine basically. I got yellow tint, so you got yellow tint.
एक मिनट मैं
What the
बना रहा
fuck
था।
do you want to become? छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ? What?
एक मिनट मैंने बनाया उसके बाद आपने बनाया
जी नहीं, पहले मैंने येलो टिंट डिसाइड किया, फिर तूने येलो टिंट लिया.
Hello, you are not even ready to take yellow tints, okay? Don't talk rubbish.
So by the way, show me once. Let me. अरे what? Just a second, यार.
Okay, he can't see
बंद
without
करके
the
देना.
glasses, यार. Why are you taking it from him? He
Yeah,
becomes
actually,
blind.
Harsh has a very high number, so he cannot really see without his glasses. So this is the ones that he's got. These are from Versace. I think they are pretty nice, not bad. Goes well. Do you like it, Harsh, or you think it's a mistake?
नहीं
Pakka?
It's perfect.
Pakka?
अरे भाई, let him wear. He
अच्छा,
can't
ठीक है,
see.
ठीक है. Alright, so those were the glasses that Harsh picked up. I don't know how he managed to spend 22,000 rupees on a glasses at the age of 22, because when I was
अरे माँ
22,
कसम.
I couldn't even spend 2,000 rupees on the glasses.
Talk
but
about
yeah,
it.
nowadays kids, you know what to say.
These
Don't
are
know
yours,
what to
by
say.
the way. You left it.
Yeah, I left
Yours,
it there, na,
okay.
because I took the glasses and I went away. Okay, anyways, we're heading now to H&M like I said, and maybe I'll come back and see you at home straight away with the sneaker.
Oh, dude,
So yeah.
that's killer.
क्या क्या क्या?
कितना
That's
अच्छा
so
आपका पैकेजिंग
cool.
गुच्ची का यार
Oh, that's my Gucci ka packaging.
Oh my god, look at that.
So by the way, I left my packaging here because I was traveling in a rickshaw. Didn't want to carry things, so I just took my glasses and I ran off.
Oh,
So we just got it now.
You
Finally I can clean it.
that's damn good, yeah.
Alright, anyways, we're headed now, so see you back home. अबे उतरना इतना टाइम लगता है क्या उतरने में?
जगह ही नहीं
Alright, so done with H&M. We are heading to Zara now. I need one more thing which I haven't got yet. Alright, so back home. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys, the second winner of the Jordan giveaway did not happen to claim his prize in the first 24 hours. So we still have the second pair to give away. So I'm going to give you guys a second chance, and the details of that will come in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and probably you still have a chance to win those sneakers. So these are the Nike Dunk High in the Varsity Purple colorway. So these were basically released in only women's sizing. So women's sizing basically means 1.5 size bigger than the men's sizing. So for example, I bought these in a women's 9, which is a men's 7.5 US and a UK 6.5. So basically, like you all know, a lot of dunks have been releasing nowadays in these really awesome colorways. Like you saw, I got the Varsity Maze dunk in the yellow, and now I got these in purple. So why I like these better are because better in the sense better than the Jordan 1 highs, because they are much more roomier. The leather quality, I feel, on the toe box at least is much better than the Jordan 1s, because they're sort of butter leather, and what happens with that is that the creasing on the shoe doesn't look as bad as it looks on the other leather, which kind of has a slight sheen on the toe box. So apart from that, the shoes are way more roomier compared to Jordan 1s. They're not as narrow. As you can see, they are a little bit wider, so that sorts out the wide feet issues that other people have. So these come with a pair of extra laces in white, which is going to look brilliant on the shoe, replacing the purple ones that you see currently on the shoe. And apart from that, you also get this icy sole bottom, which looks pretty clean. Now why I want to talk specifically about these sneakers is because all these Dunk Highs coming out in awesome colorways are not really reselling for as much. I mean, you could easily get these for about 18 to 20,000 rupees. So there's absolutely no point in chasing Jordan 1 highs at a much higher price, because all of these eventually are going to become classics and they're going to go really high in price. Also, by the way, talking about these dunks, a lot of people have recently started copying them from Nike Sneakers India. I know I had said that dunks don't come to India, but that was way back in time, and that sort of became like an issue amongst the community, but I don't really care. I'm going to say what I know and what I feel like. So nevertheless, if you never really tried copying dunks on Sneakers India because of what I had said before, you could probably give it a shot nowadays. I'm not saying it's a guaranteed cop, but it's just that the chances have increased. And yeah, things are happening from Nike's side as well. So many people have been able to copy it. So I got these from an Indian seller only. Main Street, by the way, plugged it for me. There was a seller who had copied from the Sneakers India website for retail, obviously, and I got them for roughly about 18,000 rupees, which is dirt cheap when you compare to Jordan 1 Code Purple 2.0s. So yeah, that's the story with the Dunks so far. If you want me to talk a lot more in detail, I will in another video. But for now, I think that's enough for me to clear it out for you guys. So that's all for today. Do let me know what you feel about this video, and also do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and do not forget to check out the link in description for Metro membership, as we have another set of amazing steals dropping live on Metro this week. And I'll probably see you on Sunday. Peace.
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो।
हेलो फ्रेंड, चाय पी लो।
ब्रो कैसे कर लेते हो? आगे बहुत अजीब है।